Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you being here. Today, we aren't going to mess around. We are going to get this pine log up on the sawmill, and then we're going to turn it into, well, mostly paneling, but we might make some 2x stock out of it if I see some decent wood in it. Now, this one's got some stress in it. You can see it when I was rolling it. You'll see it right there. You'll see it up on the deck. So it's going to give me a little fits now and then, but that's okay. You know what? Dealing with stress is just part of sawmilling. So without further ado, let's get to it. Yeah, that band's getting a bit dull.
Well, they get expensive when you have to, replace several.
You know, folks, in this business, changing a band is just, well, part of the job. If you see that things aren't going well and you've been using the same band for a little while, time to swap it out, put a new one in, and move on down the road. And normally, you can do these pretty quick. Now, if you noticed, I kind of dropped that band there. It happens. Just the way it is, folks. Hey, you know what? If you're watching my channel, you're watching real live, honest to God, this is what it's like to be out on a job. And hey, while I'm at it, now would you like to do me a favor? It would really help me out, and I would really love it if you did, and that is hit that like button for me, folks. It helps this video out, will spread it around, helps the channel out, and I really do appreciate it. So thank you very much for that. while I'm getting this log split right here, folks, we're going to make a couple different cants out of it. I would really be interested in the kind of stuff you guys would like to know or would like to see. So do me a favor, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see or anything you'd like to know. And I always try to answer any questions you've got. And hey, if you got some good ideas for me there, I'd be happy to put out some videos on that content. And while I'm at it, if you haven't thought about it, I do lives once in a while. I usually only do them a couple times a month at most. But if you'd like me to get another live going soon, drop a comment down below. Let me know. Just tell the old jarhead to get another live going. And like I said, if there's something you'd like to see, something you'd like to know, drop your comments down below, folks, and I will always answer them. Thanks very much for that. Now, let's get to it.
apart again. And every spring, some hearts fall into love, and every autumn they go with broken hearts. I don't like the seasons, I don't like the moon. They change for no reason, no. Said I don't like the seasons, I don't like the moon. They change for the reasons I don't really know. One by one, oh. One by one, yeah. One by one.
Well, there you have it, folks. We're getting this last little bit done here, and there's another log up on the deck and, well, knocked right down off the deck. I've got more to come from this job. Now, on this job, we're milling up for Joe, who's an old family friend. I actually don't know Joe that well. I just know he's a really neat guy that does some cool woodworking, and I was only all too happy to go help him out by sawing up all these windfall trees that he had. And again, thank you all very much for that, because if it wasn't for you watching my videos, I wouldn't have been able to do it for Joe for free. So that's really awesome. And hey, maybe there's some other deserving folks out there like Shanico who I would be able to do that for because of you guys. So thank you very much for that. Meanwhile, I'll drop another video right here for you all to check out. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. The old Jarhead out.